Sabi mga kababayan dito sa balita sa Politico News, Marcos vows not to surrender Philippine territory. Hindi tayo papayag. Sabi ko sa inyo, BBM lang talaga po ang sa kalam. Hindi po papayag ang ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa mga pinagagawa ng China na nagpalabas sila ng sarili nilang mapa at inobos na nila yung mga territories na hindi kanila. Pati yung sa India at Malaysia mga kababayan, sinama na. But before ko mga kababayan ibigay sa inyo yung kwento, click subscribe muna dito sa ating YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga kaganapan dito sa ating bansa. Wag na rin po ninyo na skip yung ating mga commercial ads para tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-unlad ng ating ekonomiya. So, yan po, mga kababayan, yung ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Pero yung mga statements ng ating Pangulo po, kalmanti lang po. Wala po siyang angas. Ngayon, nag-react, mga kababayan, yung Chinese Foreign Ministry kasi galit yung India. Pati siyempre tayo dito sa Pilipinas, pati yung Malaysia, nag-react na rin po. Sabi ng Chinese Foreign Ministry, kalma lang anya. So, kalma lang daw tayo habang kinakamkam nila yung ating territory. Matindi po talaga yung mga Chinese. Wag lang daw tayo overreact. Sabi ng Chinese Foreign Ministry. But anyway, sabi ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos rito, President Marcos Jr. reiterated yesterday that he won't give up Philippine territory to any foreign power, anya. Hindi tayo papayag na basta't kukunin sa atin ang teritoryo ng Pilipinas. Marcos Jr. said during talk to troops in Western Command Lawak Gymnasium, doon po sa Palawan. Sabi rito, although the Philippine presence in Palawan is limited in terms of number of men and equipment compared to other claimants, the President said the military maintains an orderly presence in the area. That is the very difficult and important job that the Western Command has before you. And I can only say that I think it is significant to note that the efforts that you have been making under your command have been effective, and despite the fact that we are trying to maintain and would really rather than not, basta kung maari lang, wala na tayong ganyang klaseng gulo na iniisip according to him. The Western Command, he added, is playing a very, very important part in keeping the peace in defending the country's sovereign territory, sabi ng ating Pangulong Bongbong. Keep up the good work, anya, and congratulations for the achievements that you have made already in terms of holding the line. And we, for our part, nandito kami upang tulungan kayong lahat, payag ng ating Pangulong Bongbong. Ito yung sabi ng Chinese Foreign Ministry, mga kababayan. China calls for calm amid objections to latest map. Kalma lang daw tayo. Ang gustong mangyari ng mga Chinese, mga kababayan, matulog lang tayo habang kinakamkam nila yung ating territory at yung ating mga kalapit bahay na mga bansa. Matindi. Yan ang sabi ni Foreign Ministry spokesman Wang Wenbin. Kalma lang niya, mga Bombay, mga Taiwanese. Yung Taiwan, kanila yun sabi nila. Yung mga Malaysians, at siyempre tayo mga Filipino. Kalma lang niya kayo. So sabi rito, China has asked countries whose territories it claims as its own to remain calm. Following objections, it has already received from them in the release of its 2023 standard map. Ganon katindi, mga kababayan, yung pag-ugali ng mga Chinese. Pagkakalmain ka habang sinasaksak ka sa likod, barkada niya tayo. Huwag ka niyang gagalaw kasi di ba magbarkada tayo? O di ba? So sabi rito, Wang Wenbin, China's foreign ministry spokesman said, concerned countries must refrain from over-interpreting the issue as China's standard map, which lays claim to the parts of the Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Brunei, Taiwan, and India, is a routine practice. Routine practice daw nila, itong pangangamkam nila. Madaling sabi, ganon ang ibig sabihin. Routine practice lang naman anya namin ito, yung pag-release ng mapa. What? Normal ito sa kanila, mga kababayan. Wang said it was Beijing's exercise of sovereignty in accordance with law. Kita ninyo? Ganon kagaspang ang pag-ugali nitong China. On August 28, the Ministry of Natural Resources of China released the 2023 edition of the Standard Map. We hope, anya, relevant sites can stay objective and calm, he said in his regular press briefing on Wednesday, August 30. Malaysia and India have already protested Beijing's release of the Standard Map, which features 10-dash line, a line that signifies the scope of each territory that includes Malaysia's exclusive economic zone in the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh in the Aksai Chin Plateau. Mas na lumawak pa yung gustong sakupin. Dati 9-dash line, ngayon biglang tumubo. Di ba? Nag-expand pa po. Naging 10-dash line. May naririnig nga ako, 11-dash line na daw. Alang iya talaga itong mga Chinese. Meanwhile, the Philippine government has not released, as of this writing, its comment on the inclusion of the West Philippine Sea, a part of the bigger South China Sea, in the 10-dash line. Nag-react na po kahit na yung ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. At yung hindi yata updated yung sino nag-publish nito. Manila Bulletin. So sabi rito, Malaysia does not recognize China's claims in the South China Sea as outlined in the China Standard Map 2023 edition, which covers Malaysia's maritime area. Malaysia's foreign minister said in a statement. So maganda po na nag-react na po sila. So, marami na tayo na magiging kakampi sa pagsusulong po ng pag-recognize ng desisyon ng UNCLOS dito sa ating territory. Kasi pag hindi sila mag-support sa atin, pati sila mga kababayan, ganun din ang gagawin ng China. At ito na nga po yung ginagawa ng China. Sabi naman po ng India, External Affairs Ministry, we reject these claims as they have no basis. Such steps by the Chinese side only complicate the resolution of the boundary question. Meanwhile, the Philippines and other countries' territorial claims over the respective EECs are based on the provision of the United Nations Convention of the Law of the Sea, which China ratified. Kaya yon ang problema po. Nag-ratify yung China pero hindi nila nire-recognize yung ratification nila. Ganon katindi. Kaya sabi ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, ang ating bansa niya would not take lightly the 10-dash line map ng China po. As he reaffirmed that the country would continue to defend our territorial sovereignty, our territorial rights. Sabi ng ating Pangulo, now, once again, we have received the news that the 9-dash line has been extended to 10-dash line. We have to respond to all of this, and we will, the President said. These are operational details that I would prefer not to talk about. Ayaw niyang i-discuss na. sa publiko siyempre. So sabi ng ating Pangulo, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea or UNCLOS gives the Philippines solid ground in terms of maritime territory claims against changing approach by other countries such as China's 10-dash line. We have to stay true to the rules-based international law, especially the UNCLOS, pahayag mga kababayan ng ating Pangulong Bongbong. So yun man lang po mga kababayan, yung mga balita ngayon, baka lang gusto ninyo po itong itry. Fairmax Firming and Lifting Cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses and affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application, anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Nengxia Red Mix Fruit Drink. Hindi man po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. Ayos? O yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye po. God bless.